Howdy, I'm Reagan Mason.
I'm Kristin Jeon, and we're under Jonathan Mock's Deep Project 2024-2025. This is our hydraulic press, and this hydraulic press works under the Pascal's principle, which states that whenever pressure is applied to confined fluid or liquid, the pressure will be transmitted equally in all directions. In simple terms, the hydraulic press generates a large amount of force using liquid, and in this case, in our demonstration, we're going to be using regular water.
So the way this works is, again, through Pascal's principle, is that when we pump water through here, we're going to be causing a change of pressure over here in this syringe and in this whole fluid. But since there's 4 syringes over here, we're going to be multiplying the force by 4 that we put in over here on whenever we crush with this hydraulic press. And so currently, it's not strong enough to really crush anything of essence like a soda can. However, next semester we plan on improving its strength by either decreasing the size of this syringe, increasing the size of these syringes, or adding more syringes in general. And then we also plan on making it look better too. And so
that was our presentation for our hydraulic press. Thank you for watching.
thank you.